welcome back to my channel. I'm Victoria. So happy that you guys are here with me today. And for my first time viewers who are joining me for the very first time, welcome guys. So today I am making one of my favorite hair treatment. And why it is my favorite? Because ever since I was a child, my mother has been using it in my hair. Aloe Vera. So today I will be making Aloe Vera leave-in conditioner. Now aloe vera have countless of health benefits. There's no end to the things that aloe vera can do for your body. Detox your body, cleanse your body, help you to lose weight, give you beautiful skin, clear up your acne. But aloe vera also amazing to help grow your hair, strengthen your hair, give your hair that body, the luscious, beautiful look and softness to your hair. If you have split ends and you use aloe vera in your hair, it will stop your split ends. So these are all the amazing things that aloe vera do, and a lot more. You know, aloe vera is a species of aloe vera. Some of them are bitter. The ones that are bitter, you're not supposed to eat them. The ones that have no taste to them, you can simply eat them. Aloe vera is amazing. It grows in a warm climate. So today I'm going to make my leave-in conditioner. It's very simple to make aloe vera conditioner. It's so easy with 1, 2, 3 ABC. So let me go ahead and I'm going to just peel my aloe vera. I'm going to cut side. This part here you see that is white. This have nothing to it. So I'm going to cut from right here, and I'm going to cut off these edges and just peel and take the gel out, because that's all you need. You just need the gel alone. It's like I'm gonna fillet my aloe vera. Okay, so now that I have it all cut, I'm going to use a spoon. You can fillet your aloe vera if you want to use a knife, but I don't want you to cut yourself. So just use a spoon and scoop it out. And this is my single serving blender. I'm going to put my aloe vera gel inside here and blend it. And just blend it. Okay, this is the aloe vera gel. So I'm just going to slice it and put it in my blender. Now, this is without water, so you do blend your aloe vera without water. Okay, so now I'm going to strain it. So guys, here is the leave-in conditioner. Now this is just perfect when you wash your hair and it's clean hair. You can use it on your clean dry hair or your clean wet hair. Use it by massaging it into your hair scalp throughout the end, but always massage your hair scalp. You can put it in a spray bottle or a bottle with a little nozzle in it and put it throughout your hair. Just massage it in. This is perfect. You're going to notice the difference in your hair. Your hair is going to become a lot more softer, and it's going to give your body to your hair, just luxury hair. And it's going to stop your split ends. If you have split ends and your hair is going to start to grow, you're going to love it. It's going to be one of your favorite hair treatment to use. Favorite hair treatment, and very less expensive. I think $3 for an aloe vera leaf. And also, if you're interested in growing your own aloe vera and you live in a cold climate, aloe vera make perfect indoor plants. So you can have your perfect indoor plants in your home and just take a leaf each time when you want to make aloe vera smoothie or aloe vera tea or your favorite aloe vera hair treatment. By the way guys, you notice that I changed. For those of you who are just new to my channel, I have not seen all my other videos. and you see my amazing intro. This is a new intro and I just love it. So if you guys love my new intro, let me know if you guys love it. Some of you already told me how much you loved it, but I'm talking to you guys that are new and I've not seen any of my other videos before. So this is all that I have to say for today, guys. I cannot wait to see you in my next video, and don't forget to now to hit like, leave me a comment below and share this video. And if you are new to my channel and you're not yet subscribed, please hit that red subscribe and hit the notification bell, so when I upload new videos you get a notification. I upload videos 3 times per week. I'm a hard working girl, okay? I'm a girl boss. So that's all that I have to say, and I cannot wait to see you in my next video.